What's up, y'all? It's your girl Forever Myra J, and I am back with another video. And this one is about Michael B. Jordan and your girl Lori Harvey having a sexy and stylish date night for his big movie premiere without remorse. Now, this action-packed movie stars Michael B. Jordan and was just released this past weekend on Amazon Prime Video. And since the world as we know it is not back to normal just yet, these two thought it would be a great idea to get dressed and stay home for the movie premiere. Lori Harvey looks stunning, dripped in gold, and this was a Prada gown, okay? She looked gorgeous. While Michael did have on a double-breasted Prada tuxedo, looking very, very handsome. On Michael B. Jordan's Instagram account, he did write, "We were looking for a reason to get dressed up." These two went public with their relationship earlier in January of this year, 2021. And I just love this duo. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that button, leave a comment, and like.